What were some of the artists that you looked up to or you're listening to back then that really inspired you to say, this is what I want to do?
Bob, Bounty Killer, Buju Banton, Terry Ganzi, Terror Fabulous, Shabba Ranks, Yellow Man, Marcel Griffiths, Michael Jackson. It's a long list, but I think the most influential person was Bounty Killer. Because in my community, most of the people, I'm a fan of Beenie Man as well too, you know what I mean? Most of the community when I grew up around, most of the youth, they were a fan of Beenie Man. And it was like a handful of us that really is the Bounty Killer. You know what I mean? Yeah. So Killer always have that thing about him where we kind of like respect more, you know, and then make it worse. In sound system world, if you're not playing them days, and even now, if you're not playing a Bounty Killer, if I even have a, this is none other than, you know, stuff. It's that come like, say, boy, you're not going nothing. You see what I say? Yeah, so to even grow and transition from an artist to become a selector and became friends with Killer, it was also a blessing, and I appreciate every moment, because Bounty Killer, again, became the first big artist who really ever said, yo, you can't write. When him hear Body song, he must say, yo, it seems like a very good writer, because he never knew that I was a artist. He knew me as a selector. But as I said, I was an artist before. It's just that based on this, I have a bigger platform, and based on this, a theme sound, and plus Warlord. I used to play Warlord sound system before.
We're gonna get into all of that there, you know, because Warlord was that was the first place where I actually heard you was Warlord. But I want to get into stuff before even that.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.